Hey, it's Eileen and Jewel, and we're here to give you a room tour of the Silver Legacy in Reno. We checked in early, which was an additional $10 fee, but we got up to our room, which we booked, that was 2 queens. So we have 2 beds. Everything was pretty comfortable in this room, and we really liked it. Big TV. And then we have the bathroom. Oh, there's Jewel. Hi. The bathroom, which had the countertop outside from the shower and toilet. There we have the toiletries. Okay. And the view outside, which was of the pool. Kind of cool. So this room was $120 for one night. I had an Expedia coupon for $58, so that brought it down to $62. What a value. The pool was super cool too. Thanks for watching.